Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography and what is our topic today? Sex ratio. Sex ratio is the most important topic here. A second topic, sex ratio here. Sex ratio refer to the number of female per thousand male of on area. You know that? What is the sex ratio here? The sex ratio refer to the number of females per thousand male of on area. According to the census of India 2001, there are only 933 female per thousand of male. That is the most important point here. 933 female per thousand of male. So sex composition of India is unfavorable. There is a sex composition of India is unfavorable. It means to there is a less number of female than the number of males. They show that this number easily. When the number of females is more than male, it is the said to be a variable. When the number of females is more than the male, it is the said to be a variable. As per state are concerned, only Kerala has a variable sex ratio. There is a Kerala is only is a variable sex ratio here. 1058 is a female ratio. It has a highest sex ratio in the country. It is the highest sex ratio in the country. The lowest sex ratio almost state of found in the Haryana. Haryana is a lowest, is a 861 only. There is a census of 2001 according. According to the territory, Pondicherry has the highest sex ratio in the country with a 1001 female per thousand male. Whereas the lowest sex ratio is found to the Daman and Diu, where is was 709 only, is a female per thousand male. There is the most important information here. The significance stand with the regarded to the sex ratio in their country is that it has been to the steadily is the decline. Expect some marginal increasing in the 90, 51, 90, 81 and now is the 2001 census. There are given here table. Come the table on the C there is a 2001 census here. Here see the table. There is the most important information according to sex ratio in India. There is an important table here of female per 1000 male to 9001 to 2001. There is a most important according to 100 years here. Here is a 9001. There is a sex ratio 972. But 1911 there is the most important is here increasing of nothing here, but decreasing here sex ratio 966 ratio also only. There is the most important thing here, but it shows your see there is a time to time the sex ratio is a decreasing. There is a most important for the females out of 1000 male. There is a female is a only is a very low condition for India. But at least 2001 there is a 933 is only. There is a very less here and continue there is a decreasing of sex ratio for the female. The next topic here, district level pattern. District level pattern. What do you mean district level pattern here? An overview of the district level data reveal that is out of 593 district in a country is a 324 is a district is a recording sex ratio above the national average. There are 933 only and the 4 districts has a sex ratio equal to the national average. In other words, there are 55% of the total districts recording sex ratio above the national average. Out of this is a 324 districts. There are many as 708 districts spread over to 16 state union territory has recorded sex ratio above unity. The unity is mean female are more is than 1000 per 1000 of male. There is a female is more than 1000 per 1000 of male. The largest number of such a district are from to the Tamil Nadu is the 15 followed by the Kerala 13 and the Uttarakhand is 8. Well, there are Chhattisgarh and Odisha have a 7 districts each. And the male is a Pondicherry recorded highest sex ratio. That is the most important. Males in the sex Pondicherry recorded the highest sex ratio here. The Pondicherry sex ratio is 1148 in the country followed by the There is the most important ratio for a Pondicherry. There is the highest 1148 in the country, followed by the Almora, and Uttarakhand is the most important also here, 1147. And here Ratnagiri in there Maharashtra, there is the most important sex ratio here, 1135. If we look at the Patel's distribution, it has been to observe that there was a three reasons where a sex ratio is a variable. First reason is southern India consists of the majority of districts of Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, almost all the districts of Kerala and a few coastal districts of Karnataka. This second reason, hill and plateau region of adjoining Odisha and Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh is dominated by the tribals. Tribals is the most important here, is dominated by the tribal class here. The third region is the hill state of Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. There is a most important reason here. Of maximum here is the female sex ratio here present. And come to the see, there is a graph. There is a most important graph shown in your screen. Here show the most important graph here. India is a sex ratio 901 to 2001. You know that the 1901 the sex ratio is here a female per thousand here male. There is a 1972, but is the less is here 1971 there are 930 only. And there is a most important is a decreasing here 1991 the 927 only, but 2001 there are 933. There is a most important point here, 1901 is a maximum 972 per female on the male, but is a very low is a 1991. The 1991 there is a very low, but the 1901 is very high. There is a most important Indian sex ratio shown here. On the contrast, there are 265 districts where a sex ratio is below national average. Out of these 265 districts, there are 42 districts where a sex ratio is below to the 850. That is the most important here. And where are these districts localized? The Uttar Pradesh and National Capital of Territory of Delhi has 8 districts each flow by the Haryana and 6 also Haryana side here. But with this is a 42 districts, 10 districts are localized in a major cities of 8 in a NCT Delhi. One is the Maharashtra, the Mumbai, and the other ones are territories of Chandigarh. That is important. There is a very low sex ratio in these cities, maybe due to the inflow of male migrant seeking of work in the industrial, commercially, construction, informal, and the origin of sector of this here. There is a most important point here. A sex ratio is here a low because there is a low sex ratio. The reason it's only here the migrant people here. The migrant people here only is working here, industries, commercially, construction, informal, and the unorganized sector of the economics. But the lowest sex ratio in terms of district is recorded. Daman districts is a 591 only. Followed by the West Kangama is a 749. In Arunachal Pradesh and Northern district is a 752 in a Sikkim. There is most important here. And why is there is a decline in the sex ratio in India? Why? There is a most important question here. Why is there a decline in the sex ratio in India? There is a major reason for there decline of sex ratio in India are there a higher rate of maternal mortality and high child mortality among the female children. And these two cases are related to be a comparatively a low status of the woman in our society. There is a most important point here. Mortality is a lower status of the woman in our society. Apart from this, our social religious value and the belief like a male performance in our society are responsible for decline sex ratio. This is things is a very dangerous here of belief that like a male performance in our society are responsible for the decline of sex ratio. The female minority rate is likely to be reserved with there is an improving status of women and also due to the better Medicare facility and education, particularly of the female. The improve of medical facility have helped in their checking the rate of child mortality and their death of mother due to childbirth. There is a most important reason. There is the decline in the sex ratio in India. There is a most important point here. The main point here, important point also, notable point here. In come your screen. The sex ratio in India is unfavorable. On average, there is a 933 female per 1,000 male in a country. The highest sex ratio of 1,058 female per 1,000 male in a Kerala, and the lowest of 709 female per 1,000 of male in Daman and Diu. There is the most important point here according to the competitive exam here. The major reason for the decline of the sex ratio in India are high child mortality among the female children and low status of women in the society. There is a most important reason here. The next point here, project work. Project work is the most important doing here. Select 20 household in your neighborhood and visit each household and note the down total number of male and female in each household. After visiting all of the 20 household, add all their male and female member. If there's a ratio is a 1.1, then the ratio of balance. If your female ratio is more than 1, then the sex ratio is favorable each or vice versa. And try to find out the reason of favorable and unfavorable sex ratio by interviewing of the female concerned. There is a most important project work here. Do it.